So I'm Logan from Attached to Equipment, here with our ram tilt today. So we've been doing the ram tilt for about 8 years. We've been continually improving it. The ram tilt design now is significantly improved, both for performance, which is the unit is a very squat design profile, fully multi pickup compliant hitch on the base, and the unit is constructed of Biz 80 material, so that just gives you maximum longevity of the unit. So I'll go into a little bit more detail. So that the unit is tilted by 2 single acting displacement cylinders. These cylinders here, they're oversized, so got a lot of tilting power to hold that batter angle. The squat profile is significantly improved. It's best on the market now, with us keeping the center joint very compact. I'll go into a little bit more detail about that. So your center joint is a critical part on the tilting hitch. You've got oversized bushes and induction hardened greasable pins, so maximising the load bearing surface area, so on both ends of the unit, to give you that longevity of the unit. If we've learned anything over those 8 years, it's in the centre joint and how to get that right. So we're on the outer fulcrum. If you think about your crowd angle, on the outside of that axis, you've got more bracing, more surface area, and then you've got oversized plate coming down from the top assembly also. So longevity and breakout for performance. Just on the base, it's fully compliant with the world safety standard and the AS, which is the Australian standard as well. So with the shore grip base, you've got fully automatic double locking compliant unit, which will pick up anything within its weight class. For this particular unit, it's a 20-ton unit, so in that 80mm pin range, it should pick up all the main brands, so you're covered there. Also on the top assembly, you have a certified lifting eye with a safe working load stamp on the eye for any site compliance, and it's at the top of the unit, so obviously not putting any forces on the bottom of the unit when you're wanting to lift culverts or whatever you're lifting with it. Talking a little bit about the cylinders. So the displacement cylinders, so you've always got opposing pressure, which is making sure that you don't develop a neutral position or a chatter point with the likes of double acting systems. So keeping that nice and tight for the life of the unit, because they're always working against each other slightly. You've got to push the oil out of the other side to push it that way, and so you're always holding nice and firm and tight, which is a major benefit for when you're doing finicky work. Obviously any movement there is a lot accentuated once you go out to the side of the bucket. So that's a key point. Another point is they are GPS plate ready, so basically all the main brands, you're ready to fit GPS within the unit. There's a mounting plate there. For the hose routing, very simple. You've got the top of the cylinder, you got your ports, so you can come straight down and straight in from your auxiliary to the top of the cylinder here, obviously with a cover for the elbow or the fitting coming out of the cylinder, so it's covered so it doesn't get damaged. If it gets hit, it can't get damaged. Other option is to come down and through the top assembly and up into your manifold. The hitch cylinder plumbing comes down through the centre of the unit. You've got a hose clamp in there to keep it nice and tight from avoiding it getting damaged or caught on anything, which goes into the rear of the cylinder for the hitch. Something else you get with the ram tilt is a 3-year industry leading warranty, which is on all mechanical and engineered parts, and 1 year on hydraulic parts and components. With the ram tilt, we've got you covered. There you have it, basically the ram tilt. Can't go wrong. Cheers.